Hi there, I'm Jonah. I'm with JondaHealth. And while the rest of the team keeps things running behind the scenes, I get to be the one on screen today. Let's get you set up. Templates let you map your own test names and units, so every transformation comes back exactly how you need it. Start by logging into the JondaX client portal by entering your email, password, answering the security question, then clicking the login button. Head to Data Transformations, then Manage Templates in the sidebar. Click Download XLSX file to get your template. Inside, you'll find two tabs, an Instructions tab and a Template Data tab with sample entries to guide you. Fill in your own test names and units in the Template Data tab. Test name is required. Units are optional. Keep it under 1,000 rows and make sure no test name repeats. Once your file is ready, save it. Then upload it using Upload XLSX template file in the Create New Template panel. Drop it in or browse to select it. JondaX takes it from there, checking and mapping your template automatically. You'll be notified the moment it's ready to use. From the All Templates panel, you can view every template you've created, whether it's active or still being processed. Use the icons on this panel for quick actions. Edit the template name, download the template, or delete it. To edit the contents of an active template, click its name. Here, you'll see everything inside it. Use the icons on each row to edit a value or remove a row entirely. And if you select a template that isn't active yet, you can set it to active right from this view. Questions at any point? Reach out to us at support@jonda.health.